Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our helpful videos. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that's specifically tailored for our diabetic viewers. We're going to dive into the benefits of vegetable juice for diabetic patients. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the details, let's address a question that many of you might have. Can vegetable juice be a healthy addition to a diabetic's diet? The answer is a resounding yes. Vegetable juice can be a fantastic way to incorporate essential nutrients into your daily routine, as long as you do it mindfully. Now, let's talk about some of the key benefits of vegetable juice for diabetic patients. First and foremost, vegetable juice is an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients help support your overall health and can play a crucial role in managing and preventing complications associated with diabetes. One of the major advantages of vegetable juice is its low glycemic index. This means that it won't cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels, making it a suitable choice for diabetics. However, it's important to note that not all vegetables are created equal in terms of their impact on blood sugar. Some vegetables like carrots and beets have a higher natural sugar content, so it's best to focus on veggies with lower sugar content, such as leafy greens, cucumbers, and celery. Another benefit of vegetable juice is its high fiber content. Fiber plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar levels, promoting digestive health, and maintaining a healthy weight. When you juice your vegetables, make sure to retain the pulp or add it back into the juice to preserve the fiber content. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to vegetable juice. Even though it offers numerous health benefits, it's important to work with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to determine the right portion sizes and combinations that fit your individual needs. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific medical condition and medications. Now that we've covered the basics, let's discuss some delicious and diabetes-friendly vegetable juice recipes. These recipes are not only good for your health, but they also taste amazing. Recipe 1. Green Power Punch. This refreshing juice combines nutrient-rich spinach, kale, cucumber, and a hint of lemon for a zesty kick. Recipe 2. Beetroot Booster. To make this vibrant juice, simply blend together beets, celery, and a splash of ginger. It's packed with antioxidants and has a delightful earthy flavor. Recipe 3. Cucumber Cooler. This hydrating juice is perfect for a hot summer day. Blend together cucumbers, mint leaves, and lime juice for a refreshing treat. Remember, these recipes are just a starting point. Feel free to experiment with different vegetable combinations to find what you enjoy the most, and always remember to listen to your body and monitor your blood sugar levels when incorporating vegetable juice into your diet. Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to thank all of you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might benefit from this information. And as always, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. We love hearing from you, and we're here to support you on your journey towards better health. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more informative content, and until then, take care and be well. See you in the next one.